companies or facilities broadcast at a certain time. For instance, broadcast an announcement for ventilation requested every 2 hours. Or a certain message on a weekly basis. If the announcements are the same, then it is easy to set up. Let's get started. The key point of this process is to set the time to broadcast, and to set the TTS sound source. Go to the System Setting, Annual Scheduler menu. And select a date to create a schedule, then the schedule setup page will be shown. Input the name, and the date for repetition. And select the broadcasting date and time in the Date and Time menu. Select the source, speaker, and the zone. Choose the TTS as the source, sound, and language and voice type. And input text for TTS. And set up the play priority, volume, date format and the color in the calendar. Once all settings are done, then click the Save button. When completed, the broadcasting information will be displayed in the calendar, and the TTS will be broadcasted on time. For more details, please refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.